Hey!
And if I could finish like loading in my clip, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, that'll never happen. Zombies don't give you time to do things like load fresh mega.
Oh boy.
Also don't.
I don't have a Thompson. I don't have a Thompson. God.
Oh
Maybe.
god.
Listen, huh? You think about that?
If I could get some points,
Oh, Mace,
that'd be
behind
great.
you, look out!
Yeah. Learn not to scrub the floor so much. Oh, there's a nuke right there. Or no, there's not. There's max ammo.
Oh, it's a max ammo.
Fuck you guys.
Oh, I have a monkey bomb. I just remembered that.
God damn it.
Let's go. Let's
Throw
go.
that. You got this. Oh, you got this.
I got it.
Someone's got this.
Hopefully it's me.
You know, Godding is happening. Maybe I should buy a Thompson.
You should.
FG, man.
Thompsons are
FG,
useful as hell.
FG.
I should.
Ammo is cheap.
It's true. I should also buy speed coat.
Yeah, I'm gonna work on that next. And then I'm gonna die right after I get it because that's how it works in zombies.
It's the system. You gotta fight the
And I
system.
can have 0 points too, so I won't be able to get Jug when I get back.
Yeah. That's how it is. And then the rage.
Yep.
We'll
All
have
the
full-
rage. Thanks for walking right in front of my face, Maceo. I love that when you just block my view.
I love blocking you. I do it every day. It's what I try to do.
No!
You son of a bitch!
I could have gotten more points!
I'm gonna be the entire internet.
Zombies, please?
I spin.
Oh god.
That was funny.
No.
I spun like 3 times, and then suddenly there was I spun 3 times, seeing just yellow eyes. Like, oh, there's a zombie.
If it gets dire, I'll toss a monkey up. But if the round ends, then I won't.
If it gets Will dire.
Ugh.
Too much.
I got you covered.
Thank you. Now I really need Jug, so
Oh, too bad I killed that crawler.
Yeah. 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 Too bad. So I'm good. I'm good. Okay, monkey bombs. I'll take that.
No, hey. Monkey bomb bros.
Yeah, monkey bombs.
Fuck you guys. You and your money.
I just literally, I freaking whacked my trigger and threw a monkey thing. How to get max ammo?
Whoa, lag. Oh, jeez. That was
Lag? You guys
major.
gotta work.
I'm good now. Not lag, slag.
Slag.
Slag? That'd be
Slag,
awesome.
dude. Slag. Slab. You want some slag? There's the dog standing up again. This happens every
Oh, I
time.
wish I could see him.
I swear.
I love dumb little glitch.
I'm ready. You
Ready.
guys want to? The dog is just—it's weird. It's like the default like character model, I guess, like the way they have it normally before they animate it. But it's
It's
its
on
eyes aren't even glowing. I'm looking right at his face right now.
Yeah, it's dead on my screen.
Yes, it is. Gabe is just insane.
I'm writing it right now.
That's grand.
That's
Yep.
great, Gabe.
Yep.
Wonderful.
It's my trusty steed.
There was a Rainbow Six Vegas terrorist hunt video on YouTube or on Rooster Teeth. They did where Michael was like the only guy alive, and on Gavin's screen there was a gun that was just floating. That was just
Oh, I saw that. Yeah.
and no one else saw it, so they all called him completely crazy.
Yeah. He was like pointing at him. It was a little freaky.
Into my room.
It's alright, guys. I'll just do the work. Just round them up for you. It's what I do.
As soon as I get Jug, I'll leave. So you guys can have this place. Another max ammo. Oh my god.
I still don't understand how people can last this game long enough to go to around 100. Like, I just don't understand how you have the
Yeah.
mental, like the mental endurance to do that.
Yeah, it's a little, it's, you know,
It's a little too rinse and repeat, you know?
Yeah.
it's true. Well, those
You
people,
want to prove something? I don't know.
Those people
Well,
are
there
like, dude,
to do it,
must get to around 100.
100.
to do it on, the one guy in a 5, he just glitched the game and then let the zombies die off to the point of the rounds ending. And he spent, like, 2 days just waiting.
2 days. He left his PS3 on, or whatever, for 2 days.
Well, no, I can't remember if it was PS3 and Xbox. I played PS3, just the fact I don't think you could leave an Xbox on for 2 days.
Yeah. Dude, you
It
get
was
the red ring of death so
it was at least
bad.
a day and a half. He like went to bed, woke back up, and it was only like round 99 after he left at like round 97.
Oh god.
Oh, jeez.
He came back to it like later in the day, and it was done.
Well, question
Done. Oh yeah,
is
because
like,
there's a certain point where it just completely lags out, right? Because you just can't handle it.
No, it still worked. Like he was able to reach round 100, and then he just jumped off and got killed instantly because he felt like it.
yeah, I'm sure those zombies have like tons of health.
Oh
Like,
yeah.
like you probably need to like hit the box multiple times and use the entirety of that weapon just to kill one.
Yeah. Well, he like for one, he had no bullets left at all,
Yeah.
and all he had was an M14 and a Olympia, anyways.
Oh god.
Like he jumped into that glitch like soon after he started playing.
Wow.
How does that glitch even work? Like, what was
Yeah,
it?
where was it?
In the like, opening room, he like jumped on one of the tables somehow.
Of Kino? Or like what?
Of 5.
5.
Oh.
And yeah, he jumped on one of those and just sat there while zombies swarmed in front of him doing nothing.
It is a good day to die.
So I'm about to run out of ammo.
Yeah, I've
I'm
only
already
like
at
barrel
ammo.
shotgun ammo left, so I'm gonna probably hit the box.
You should save that crawler.
Oh yeah, you can save crawlers in this game.
Yeah, you can.
Sorry, I just killed him.
Good job, Maceo.
Thanks, man.
Save this guy.
I dressed to impress.
You dress? What does that have to do with you dressing up?
Nothing. I just do.
Oh yeah, speaking of which, Gabe, are you gonna even dress up for the Age of Ultron, or are you not gonna?
I don't have the time to get that all set of the way. No.
Okay, I was gonna say like.
I'm not. For one, I'm not going to the premiere, at least as far as I'm aware, and two, I'm definitely not dressing up for it. I'm just
It's just, yeah, it's too much of a hassle. And my schedule, I'm so like, from the time that I missed, like going to visit colleges and going to state and stuff, I'm so buried in work.
I got you.
It's just bad.
Nate? I do. I'll be done in a little bit.
All right, I'm done.
FG
Zombie.
42.
Should I kill the crawler?
I'm ready.
Wait, I want to do some of the.
Do it.
You don't get
Fail.
to.
All right.
It's weird. Whenever I play games, if my eyes ever start to water while I'm playing, my left eye always starts first, and it does it more.
Your eyes water when you're playing?
If I play too long, just staring at a screen, you know.
Yeah.
Well, I don't play on
really-
like, I don't play on a high def screen,
Oh.
so I think that might have something to do with it.
Probably.
But yeah,
Right.
if my eyes start to water, it's always my left eye, which is interesting. It always starts there. I think it's like several years ago when I first got Fallout New Vegas. I played it a lot. Like the first day I got it, I put like 11 hours into it.
Man.
And I was like eating a little food at one point, and I like wiped my eye and got like a bunch of salt in my eye.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think that kind of screwed my left eye up a little bit more than my right eye. Like kind of permanently. So like it never my eyes like never bug out. My left eye just waters.
Maybe it remembers.
It remembers.
Remember the 5th of November.
Never forget.
Where are the zombies? Right, there's one.
In
I really
the-
enjoy using. I really enjoy using double pistols.
It was fun. In near lit on Friday, we had to we had 55 minutes basically to write a whole essay,
All right.
which was that was fun, and it was funny. I think like fastest I've ever written an essay, probably one of the best ones I've written. At least in my mind, I actually like put in like a lot like from the source material, like put in a lot of quotes and like
Yep.
actually explain things out.
It's good.
Did you take AP history? U.S. history?
What? No.
AP U.S. history? No?
Oh, no. Why would I be taking that?
I don't know, I just thought you were one of the smart kids. No offense.
Cool. No, I do not take AP classes. No.
Okay. I thought you, yeah, okay.
Nah.
So you're taking just Eurolit? Is that it?
Yep. You're lit and evolution cinema.
Alright. It's so you're taking, oh that's right, you're the one with 2 English classes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because the movie thing counts as one.
Yep.
No, not the boxes here. Huh.
Where's the box at?
I don't know.
Yeah.
It wasn't what I thought it was.
Huh.
Oh god, I have 3 dogs. I'm gonna die probably.
Look to the stars.